It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2022 F-150 XLT in antimatter blue. Dark slate cloth interior, seating for 6, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This has a 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. You're seeing that XDR badging, and what that means is chrome accents. So you've got a chrome fender and bumper, as well as running board and door handles. It also has a power sliding window as well as reverse camera, and it has a max trailer tow package, which includes the integrated trailer brake controller. Stay tuned, we're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out, and if you'd like to take this beauty out on a test drive, you can book that online at islandford.ca. This is a 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. Both driver and passenger seat are powered with lumbar. Carpeted mats on the floor, your electronic parking brakes here, lighting controls, high mount light, LED side view mirror spotlights, and as well you have the power release tailgate, power assisted, and you have a running board and grab handle to make it easier to get in. On the face of the steering wheel is your dash controls, which are over on this side, and you have your lane keeping, cruise control, volume, as well as hands-free dialing. Now this is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start stop button. And then on your dash, any important messages, your odometer reading, and also the menu will come up. So you've got My View, trip fuel, truck info, towing, phone, audio, settings, and these all have submenus. And you have an automatic select shifter in the center here, a little cubby up top, your camera view, and this is right off the back bumper, so that's your center line, and green, yellow, red telling you how close you are to other objects or vehicles when going in reverse, or just for having that view. Maybe you're going to go forward, but you want to see what's behind you. And then you've got your hazard lights, traction control, and here's our main screen. We can go into sources, AM, FM, as well as Bluetooth, and then you've got your settings in here as well, and you can slide through those. So you've got the connectivity, your display screen, you can actually make that dimmer if you want, and you've got your Ford Assistant software updates and so forth, and these all have submenus. This is just a little tab on here to protect the screen. That's that red line. It'll come off when the vehicle's purchased. And then in our features we have owner's manual, towing, zone lighting, and driver assistance. So everything at your fingertips. And then down below we have our volume and tuner, and I'm just going to show you on the screen as well. So when we put the vehicle in reverse, you're going to get that same view again. So in this particular case, I've actually put the vehicle in reverse with the intent of going backwards. When I touched on the camera, you don't have to go anywhere, you can just see what's going on behind you, and there you go. And then you've got your dual climate control heated seats, which I'm loving right now, and you have your front and rear defrost, as well as AC and max AC. And then USB-C 12-volt little cubby. You have your Pro Trailer backup, integrated trailer brake controller, and your 4x4 drive mode and the locking differential. So in the drive mode, as you dial through, you're going to get the different options. So to the right, we've got normal, and then you're going to see tow haul. Sorry, I'm going left. Eco, sport, and then going around again, we're back at normal. And you notice the icons change. They're slippery. So very appropriate for today. We're supposed to be getting snow, deep snow, sand, and mud ruts. So as the weather changes, road conditions change, you can adapt, which is really nice. Gives you some confidence and also gives you the traction that you need. You've got a couple of cup holders in the center here as well. When you lift this up, it gives you more storage. That's your armrest. Then lift it up for another seating position. It's got its own seat belt. Unclip underneath, and you've got more storage down below. And then off to the side is 12 volt. You also have a 120 volt. You've got 2 glove compartments. The lower one is locking. You just press the button for the top one. And then up here, you've got an auto dimming rear view mirror, your lighting controls, sunglass holder, and you also have that power sliding window in the rear, and that's what that's for. And then grab handle on the body, just making it easier to get in. 20-inch wheels, mud flaps, chrome and magnetic running board, chrome door handles with intelligent access. That means when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors, and you have keyless entry keypad, driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. The chrome handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Just above that handle is where your backup camera is located, and your LED light is to the right. Backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And then when you want to open up that tailgate, you can do so by double clicking your fob. It's power assisted and will go down easily for you. You've got this nice lined box with tie downs in all four corners as well as box link. You can also put clamps on the tailgate. You see these slots on the right and the left. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows and grab handle in the body. There's also seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You just lift the seat with one hand, it's in the upright position, and then pull the tab and that'll bring the seat right down. You have anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. Carpeted mats on the floor, and this vehicle also comes with all-weather mats. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat. You have a 12-volt USB, USB-C, couple of cup holders. Off to the side, you're seeing the grab handle on the driver's side, lighting in hooks, and in the back, access to a power sliding window with rear defrost. Bumper, lined 5.5-foot box. Mud flaps, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, adjustable side view mirrors with blind spot information system, auto high beams, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you and we'd love to hear your comments.